Okay, so we took in the lesson, the first part of the lesson, the elements, compounds, and atoms, and now we are going to take the second part, which is about mixture and solution. Okay, so what is a mixture? The mixture is made up of two or more types of atoms that are not chemically combined together. So they are two types, as you can see. You can see here an element and an atom. So if we mix them together without chemically bond, there's no chemical bond between this atom and this atom and this atom and so on. So this is forming something called mixture. Mixture could be solids, liquids, or gases, and any combination of solid or liquid and gases. So I can find mixture of gases, mixture of solids, mixture of liquids, or mixture of all of these kind or states. Mixture of solids, like here in this picture, you can find two different things are mixed together, like the coins with different colors and different materials. And here's also some tapes and some sweets. So we have here a mixture. Mixture of liquids could be two different liquids mixing together, forming here. Like here in the coffee, we mixed the coffee and the water. And if we have here a juice and water and so on, so if we mix two different liquids, we have a mixture. Mixture of gases is, we know that gases are different. There is an oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, helium gas, and carbon dioxide gas. So a mixture of them, also a kind of mixture. Types of mixture. There are two major types of mixture. The first one, we call it heterogeneous, and the second one is homogeneous. Heterogeneous mean two different things, and homogeneous mean the same. So what's the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures? Heterogeneous mixture, you can see the different parts or phases of the mixture easily. So by your eye, you can differentiate between the components of this mixture. While in the homogeneous mixture, you cannot see the different parts of it or the different components of it. Heterogeneous mixture, as we can see here, you can easily differentiate between the different kind of leaves here, and here also you can differentiate between the different colors or different materials. Here it's too easy, and also in this soup you can find the component and differentiate between them easily. But let's see, if we are talking about homogeneous mixture, you know that the balloon has mixture of gases. Can you differentiate between the component? Can you differentiate between oxygen and hydrogen and carbon dioxide inside it? I don't think so. Here also in this juice, you can find different things inside it, but you cannot differentiate the components. Maybe there is a water, maybe there is a juice particles, maybe there is a sugar, so you cannot differentiate them by your eye. And the same here also in the coffee, you cannot differentiate or see the parts of it. Which kind of mixture? Okay, so let's classify them now. If I'm giving you a cup of cereal, you can find different colors, so we're gonna call this heterogeneous. You can easily differentiate them. And if I'm giving you a grape juice, can you differentiate the particles of the juice and the water and the sugar? I don't think so. So we're gonna call this homogeneous. And also if I'm giving you a candy, some candies, different colors, so you can differentiate. So we are going to call this heterogeneous. A solution. A solution is a special type of mixture which is a homogeneous mixture, because we are combined solute and solvent. So a solution involves on one substance dissolved in another, forming which is always or usually a liquid, forming homogeneous mixture like here. Okay, so let's see, if I'm having a solute which is all the time is a solid, part of it gets dissolved like the sugar or the salt, and I have something also called solvent, which is mostly is the liquid, and the part that does the dissolving, or this solute dissolve in it like the water. So we're gonna add some salt or sugar into the water, forming the solution. How to make a solution? When we add solute, which is solid particles, which like the salt or the sugar, we're gonna add them to a solvent, which is mainly made, or the common one is the water, and we stir them so the particles of the salt disappear inside the water and forming a homogeneous solution. Okay, thank you for listening.